If your commute looks like a scene from a disaster movie, you're in Lenoir County today. Floodwaters have taken over Highway 11. Heavy rains on Thursday morning have wreaked havoc on drivers in Lenoir County, North Carolina. Floodwaters have stranded 2 vehicles on Highway 11 North near the Covation bioplant. Officials have quickly put up signs to warn drivers about the dangerous high water, but several sections of Highway 11, both north and south, remain submerged. Downtown Kinston isn't faring much better, with multiple streets rendered impassable due to rising water levels. If you're in the area, exercise caution and avoid flooded roads at all costs. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing situation.